called Suli's Food. Suli's Food. That's what they're called. So you might want to check them out, okay? Suli's Food, very close to the radio booth. Make sure you check them out. Also, once again, Mrs. Feisayo Garuba, your son, Kenyide Garuba, is here with us at the radio booth. Please come by the radio booth. He's fine, he's chilling with us. He just couldn't find you at some point. So as a smart kid, he just made his way to the safest area, which is the radio booth, all right? So please just drop by so he can actually, get to see you and we get to move on as well. Well, let's announce that we have the next masterclass coming up, and as we hand over to the next voices, the next masterclass will begin at exactly 6 p.m. 6 p.m. That's the last masterclass for today. You want to tell us about it?
All right, the last masterclass for today is by Robin McBride. Robin McBride will be anchoring the last masterclass for today at exactly 6 p.m. and she will be talking about uncorking your wine potential. Uncorking your wine potential. So if you are a wine lover, if you are a wine taster, if you are a wine enthusiast, if you are a wine connoisseur, this is your opportunity to learn from one of the world's most renowned wine masters in the person of Robin McBride. So this is your opportunity. Take advantage of this masterclass starting at exactly 6 p.m. on day 2 of GTCO Food and Drink 2024.
That's right, let's talk about Beyond Fab Smoothies. Beyond Fab Smoothies. They are having a 10% discount. Beyond Fab Smoothies, 10% discount on their delicious noodles, egg and sausage. Also, they're giving a 10% discount on any of the amazing milkshakes and a free chocolate bar for the first 10 people. Beyond Fab Smoothies. Finally,
at 2,500 and also at 2,000 naira. The small chops come with a spring roll, 1 samosa, 6 popcorn, 1 barbecue chicken cut, and 1 gizzard. For 2,500 naira, they have different cocktails and mocktails for your delightful tasting, going from between 3,000 to 4,000 naira. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to check out Pantry Signature. You also want to check out Chili Spot. Chili Spot makes the best ukwabi in Lagos, and they are live at GTCO Food and Drink 2024. They are in the street food area. You can go over to Chili Spot for your ukwabi. Creme brulee makes the best desserts. Trust me, the best desserts, and they are on the second left when you make your way into the arena, the 4th stall from the entrance. Second left, 4th stall from the entrance, you will find creme brulee. They make the best desserts. I'm talking about chocolate, strawberry desserts, all for your delight at GTCO Food and Drink.
shout out to Laredo Small Chops. They're outside. You might want to check them out. Laredo Small Chops. Shout out as well to the one and only A+ Drinks. They're here as well. You might want to check them out. They have some of the best mixtures when it comes to cocktails and mocktails, and they're outside as well, so you might want to check them out. They are super amazing. They are at the, just outside. Once you go out, they're next to the stage. So when you have the stage, you will also get to find them as well. We do have missing ATM cards